students, welcome you educational platform. Today we know heads of important offices of different person in India 2021. Let's go to start heads of Indian person in different offices. And we know President of India Sri Ramnath Kovind. Sri Ramnath Kovind was the 14th President of India from 25th July 2017. He served as before 26th Governor of Bihar from 2015 to 2017 and as a Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha from 1994 to 2006. Number 2, we know heads of India, Prime Minister of India. Sri Narendra Damodar Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and 15th Prime Minister of India. Since from 2014 to towards mean see two times in Prime Minister 2014 and 2019. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2021 to 2014. Also, Sri Narendra Damodar Bhai Modi is the leader of the Lok Sabha. Chairman of Rajya Sabha, we know Chairman of Rajya Sabha is M. Venkaiah Naidu, President, Vice President of India. M. Venkaiah Naidu is Vice President of India. From 11th August 2017 to till, Naidu was sworn as 13th Vice President of India. Next we know who was the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India is Sharad Arvind Bhadve. He was the Chief Justice of India from 18th November 2019 to towards. Next we know who was the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Om Birla. Om Birla was the Speaker of Lok Sabha from 19th June 2019 to till. He was the 70th Speaker of Lok Sabha. Leader of Rajya Sabha, or who was the leader of Rajya Sabha in current? Thewar Chand Gehlot. Thewar Chand Gehlot is an leader of Rajya Sabha. He was the Indian politician and Central Union Minister Social Justice Empowerment in India government. He was a Member of Parliament Board and the Central Election Committee to the BJP also. Next, Chief Election Commissioner. Who was the Chief Election Commissioner? Sri Sunil Arora is Chief Election Commissioner of India from 2nd December 2018 to till. Next, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG. Who was the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAG? Sri Girish Chandra Murmu is Comptroller Auditor General of India. Sri Girish Chandra Murmu assumed office CAG from 8th August 2020 to till. Next we know Attorney General of India, K. Venugopal. K. Venugopal is Attorney General of India present now. He was appointed as President Ramnath Kovind from 30. Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. Who was the Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister? Dr. Pramod Kumar Mishra is the Principal Secretary of Prime Minister in present now. He was from 11th September 2019 to till Prime Minister Narendra Modi proceed by Nripendra Mishra to now in Pramod Kumar Mishra. Next we know heads of India. Who was the National Security Advisor of India? National Security Advisor of India, Ajit Kumar Doval is the 5th and current National Security Advisor of India to the Prime Minister. She was from office 30 May 2014. Next we know Chief Economic Advisor, K.V. Subramaniam. Krishnamurthy Venkat Subramaniam was the Chief Economic Advisor of India. He advised to the Government of India, officially appointed to the on 7th December 2018. Next we know Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Who was the Governor of Reserve Bank? Shaktikanto Das was the Reserve Bank of Governor of Reserve Bank of India. He was a IS retired from Secretary Department of Revenue and Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. Government of India assumed charge as 25th Governor Reserve Bank of India from 12th December 2018 to till. Director General of CBI, Central Bureau Investigation. Who was the Director General of CBI present? Answer is Shri Rishi Kumar Shukla. Rishi Kumar Shukla, he joined Director of CBI from 1st January 2021. Shri Rishi Kumar Shukla, an IS officer of 1983 batch, Madhya Pradesh. Now he is the Director of CBI. Director of Intelligence Bureau of India. Director of Intelligence Bureau IV in present. Answer is Arvind Kumar. Arvind Kumar was the Director of Intelligence Bureau present. He was taken over her duty as a Intelligence Bureau IV from 26 June 2019 to till. Chairman of ISRO. Who was the Chairman of ISRO? K. Sivan. Kailaso Bhadibho Sivan was the Chairman of ISRO. He was previously served as the Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Liquid Propulsion System Center. K. Sivan, Chairman of ISRO from 15th January 2018 to till. Chairman SEBI. Who was the Chairman of SEBI now? SEBI full name is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Answer is Ajit Tyagi. Ajay Tyagi was the chairman of SEBI. He was SEBI chairman from March 2017 for 3 years and Tyagi from 18-month extension from 1st September 2020 up to February 28, 2020. He was chairman of SEBI. He was the 1984 IS batch, retired, and he was working in field Himachal Pradesh cadre IS. Chief of Army Staff. Who was the Chief of Army Staff India? Answer is Manoj Mukund Narvane. Manoj Mukund Narvane is the current General Chief Army Staff from 31st December 2019 to till. Next we know Chairman Telecom Regulatory Try of India, TRAI. Who was the chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India? Answer is P.D. Baghela. P.D. Baghela is the chairman of TRAI. He was 1986 IS batch from Gujarat cadre. Vice chairman of Niti Aayog. Who was the Niti Aayog vice chairman? Niti full form is National Institution for Transforming India. Answer is Dr. Rajiv Kumar. Dr. Rajiv Kumar was the vice chairperson of Niti Aayog. He was a status of a cabinet minister. He vice president of Niti Aayog from 1st September 2017 to till. Finance Secretary of India. Who was the Finance Secretary of India? Answer is Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Ajay Bhushan Pandey was the Finance Secretary of India. He joined his work as a Finance Secretary of India from March 3rd, 2020. 1984 batch IS officer Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Central Vigilance Commissioner of India. Who was the Central Vigilance Commissioner CVC of India? Answer is Sanjay Kothari. Sanjay Kothari was Central Vigilance Commissioner of India from 25th April 2022 till. Chairperson of Atomic Energy Commission. Who was the chairperson of Atomic Energy Commission of India? Correct answer is Shri Kamlesh Nilakant Vyas. Shri K.N. Vyas or Kamlesh Nilakant Vyas was the chairperson of Atomic Energy Commission. Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission in India till May 2021. Chairperson of National Commission for Women. Who was the chairperson of National Commission for India? Answer is Mrs. Rekha Sharma. Mrs. Rekha Sharma was the chairperson National Commission for Women. He joined her duty from 7th August 2018 to till as a chairperson of National Commission for Women. Chief Air Staff of India. Who was the Chief Air Staff of India or who is the Chair Staff of Indian Air Force? Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhaduria was the Chief of Air Staff. From 30th September 2019. He was the Chief Air Staff from 30 September 2019 to till. Thanks dear friend, completely watch my video Heads of India. Thank you.